It's Sunday, November 28th, and there's a little bit of change. The small tractor and the trailer is back. I'm assuming they're going to be taking out more of the bowling equipment. Right now, everything's still the same. Nothing's changed. Oh, this board is out now. Yeah, nothing's changed. Power's still on and everything. There you have it. Today is November 29th, which is the next day after recording last night, and there's been a little bit of change. I don't know what, but I see a pile of rubble over here. So that the little tractor is over here now. They've got it taped off. Oh, that looks like a support beam. I don't know what that big metal piece is. Birdie's welcome. Yeah, they've took more of the bowling equipment out, and there's a part of a tractor here. The exit sign is no longer lighting. Fans are all on. One of them's off over there now. Actually, a few of them are off. There's only a few lighting now. So it looks like most of the bowling equipment is gone. And here's a bunch of wood. What the hell is this big metal piece, though? I don't know where that would even go. Where was it at? I have no idea. Looks like a support beam for this roof, it looks like. Like this right here. So again, they've started demolition while the power is still on, at least in the front part of the building. None of them are on here at the end, but there's 3 of them on. Total of 3 on. Okay. Well, there you have it. Wait, here's a dumpster over here. Or another trailer. Is that where they're putting the scrap metal? I don't know. Doesn't look good. Does not look good. So I need to come over here tomorrow because there's obviously activity going on. There you have it. Let's walk to the front. Let me turn off the light here. Okay, so the one above the counter, again, is not running, but the light kit is on. there you have it. I don't think any of them are running now. There's just a couple of them have the light kits on. There you have it. Gotta work. I'm gonna snoop around here. Yeah, the exit sign is off. But where in the hell is the support beam in the rafter? Is it? Rafter might be this. That looks like a rafter, but it's not. Yeah, that's they're back farther now. I've taken out the bowling equipment. There was a VCR. It's still over here. A VHS VCR. Sold a Quasar VHS VCR from Birdie's Tropicana Bowling Alley that was sitting there. Hard to get out of that shelf area. For some reason it was stuck in there. This thing has got to be from either the late 70s or the very, very early 80s. So let's plug it in. Okay, here's something. The light lit. Clock is on. Thing is dusty as ever. I know most people in the ceiling fans probably don't care about what I'm doing right now. Let's get a tape and see if it does anything. At first, when I hit the eject, it was jammed. Literally had to pry it up. Line, cue, play, without tape. So let's put a tape in and see what it does. Worst thing it'll do is eat the tape. I don't expect something this old that's been sitting in the back of a bowling alley for 30-something years to work. So let's hit fast forward and see if the tape actually moves. Oh my god, it's moving. It's actually fast forwarding. Stop. Does it rewind? Oh my god, it's rewinding. Let's hit play. Oh my god, it's playing. You've got to be kidding me. This is very hard to believe. I don't have it hooked to a TV, so it could be playing a tape. It might be looking fine, but there might not be a good picture on the screen. Boy, wow, this is amazing that it's actually playing. The belts aren't worn out. This is unbelievable. I need to get the model number so I can Google it and see what year it came out. Model number would be over here. That is crazy. I'm still not over this actually playing tape right now. Now it's Tuesday, November 30th. They have tape around the tractors here now. Electric and everything's still on. The two fans the light kits are still running. There's definitely been more work done here. Or has there? There's a little bit of bowling equipment up there. But, yeah, there's a little bit more trash over there. One of the fans is running. I can see through the window. And that Quasar VHS VCR is from 1979. So it was probably in this bowling alley before the Hunter originals were installed. I'm assuming it was probably used for training videos for people, you know, employees at one time for this bowling alley. Let's see what's going on up front here. I gotta turn the light off again, so I gotta turn off the video. Over the counter is running again. Yeah, the one over the counter is running. That's weird because of times I've been here, it's off and then it's back on and then it's off and it's back on. So there's really not much of a change except for them working in the back there. They probably got all the equipment out by now. There you have it. Today's December 1st, Wednesday. Door's open right here, and there's a car parked on the other side. I don't know why the door is open. I don't know if it's related to that car parked over there at the edge of the building. You can't really see right now until I get a little bit. Did it move? There, you can see the taillights a little bit over there. Yeah, the lens want to fog up. See the tail light. Car parked over there, and there's a car over here. I've seen that car before. So I don't know what's going on. Car's driving away now. And it was parked there right in front of the tractors. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'll look back there once I feel the coast is clear. But power's still on. The original over-the-counter is still going. As you can see. Let me put the light on. Alright. And this door over here is just hanging wide open. Front door. That's to the bar area. Or is it? It's a hallway. Yeah, you can go right in. Doors are right open. There's a broken glass over there, I see. I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's see what they've done. The light's still on over there. Is the door open over there? No, it's not anymore. They closed it. The fan's still going over there. What's going on over here? Anything? They got it taped off. Oh, there's another tractor. There's a little green tractor now I see over there. Yeah, I don't know what they're going to be doing to this. It's a very slow process. They're taking their sweet time on it, but it seems like within the after Thanksgiving is when they are starting to do things more in a quickly manner. Alright. I'm going to sign off so I can work. Nosy here. I just got out of the car. The footage from the car was just now. Seeing what they're doing over here. Okay, there's a pile of metal. And there's a pile of wood. Oh, look at that. Some of the building is even damaged there. It's a clear hallway. Oh yeah, they even took out all the lanes. A lot of the lanes, not all of them. Yeah, they've taken out a lot of the lanes as well. That's why the wood is there. Exit sign is still off. Yeah, it looks like they're going to be tearing this down the way this looks now. What a shame. Bowling pin. A lot of the metal. Alright. Fans. I don't know why this camera. And we're snooping around the room here getting bowling pins. But they're giving me all the originals. They're going to take them down tomorrow. The building's not going to be torn down, but it's going to be completely gutted from the interior that we saw. So all the interior is going to be completely gutted. It's going to be gutted to the rafters and the brick walls. That's all it's going to be left. And they're going to turn it into some it's going to be something else. All right.
These aren't bad.
All right. Let's go.
He's got to get rid of wool.
There's a lot of them in there. So you can see they're doing work in there. There's the originals, they're over there on. So yeah, they've gutted pretty much the bowling alley out. And they're gonna be working on the front part. They're gonna be gutting that out.
Don't drive your car in here, there's nails.
No, I know. The tractor over here. They got the door open there. You can see the originals in there. So they're going to be saved by me. All right. They're very nice. They didn't even try to run us off or anything. We just walked up here and asked them what's going on, and the guy told me, and I inquired about the old fans, and he's going to take them out for me. So there you have it. So the building is actually going to be saved. It's still sad that the interior, like the old ceiling, the old vents, are probably going to be all gone. There you have it.